determine and set a clear and focused goal with smart characteristics. I have divided this session into 4 concepts. The first concept is to determine this clear and focused goal and write it on the paper. This is the written based goal. The second concept is you have to make sure that make a list of action plan, effective action plan, and execute that so that you can reach to your desired results. This will be result based goal. So this is the second concept. The third concept is managing the goal. Just our PDG Babu Rao ji told that management is very, very important. So we have to manage the goal. So for that, the concept is managing the goal. And the fourth one is path to achievement of the goal, that is breakthrough goal. And these 4 concepts in the last I will relate with as a Lions activity. Friends, there are several types of different goals, just like personal goal, then career goal, professional goal, sports goal, financial goal, and many more. ऐसे बोलते हैं कि लक्ष्य होना जरूरी है हमारी जिंदगी में. अगर लक्ष्य नहीं है तो जिंदगी बेकार है. जिंदगी का मकसद ही लक्ष्य है. सो अगर किसी आम आदमी के पास अगर लक्ष्य है तो वो सफलता पा सकता है. सो टुडे आई विल कोट हियर an average person with average talents and ambition and average education can outstrip, can achieve the most brilliant genius and make wonders in his life if that person has clear and focused goal. If we have clear and focused goal, then only we can achieve the goal. Some of the people, they fail to achieve the goal because they don't have goal even in their life. They want to live as it is in their life, खाना पीना और मजा करना. Some of the persons, they have goals, but those goals are very general goals. Just like Sam wishes to be wealthy. So this is not a clear and focused goal. So Sam will not achieve the goal. Some of the person, they have goals, but whenever difficulty comes, they quit the goal, quit that things, and they run away from the goal. Some of them, they don't have time, they don't give importance. So there are many reasons that person, they don't achieve the goals. So now let's start with the defining of the goal. The process of determining a desired result is called as the goal setting. In the beginning, you have to visualize in your mind, in your subconscious mind, visualize that what I want to achieve. मुझे क्या करना है, कहाँ जाना है और क्या मुझे हासिल करना है. And determine that clear goal to achieve your desired results. Simple thing, you ask the goal, why, when, how much, in which way. आप वो कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, किस तरीके से करना है, ये आप गोल को क्वेश्चन पूछिए and the answers will tell you all the characteristics. This is in the form of SMART goal. Goal should be SMART. S means specific, M means measurable, A means actionable, R means realistic, and T is time bound. With these characteristics, goal will be more clear and focused. So let's take one example. There are many wishes and many desires are there. Just like I want to purchase a car, I want to go for foreign tour, I want to have my bungalow. A student wants to achieve more score, 95% in the 12th standard. Such like there are many goals, they should go like this with these characteristics, SMART characteristics, then only they can have clear and focused goal. See, we will go in the details of that. The goal should be clear and unambiguous. It should be crystal clear, and there should not be any confusion in mind. The goal should describe everything, whatever you accomplish in detail. Let us take one example, simple example.
अच्छा ही बोला है लक्ष्मी, उसने सेकने को मना किया है.
Meena wants anything wrong? Meena wants to be healthy. She wants to be slim. So she wants to reduce her weight. She lose her weight 10 kg. So this is the measurable. A measurable goal allows you to track your progress. How much, how many, these are the characteristics. And A means actionable. What action she will take to reduce, to lose her weight 10 kg? That is something you should act upon. So she will go for the walking and for 45 minutes every day in the morning, and she will follow the diet plan. Then only she can reduce her weight or lose her weight. The goal should be challenging. If she says that I will lose my weight within 10 days, it is not possible. Is it possible? No. So it should be the realistic means it should be achievable. It should not be beyond your capacity. The parameters of available skills, within that she has to decide. And time bound means definitely time frame. Within that time frame, set a deadline. So she has decided that she will lose her weight within the next 6 months. So thus a clear, effective and focused goal has SMART characteristics. Here I have written the focus goal. Meena will improve her health, but she will be slim by losing 10 kg in next 6 months by going for 45 minutes every day, morning walk and with proper diet. And every day she will do this. If she will not do this every day, then she will not get results. This effective goal statement you have to write on the paper. Stick it on the cardboard and put it, hang it in your bedroom, so that every day you will be realized that I have to achieve this, I have to achieve this, and it will remind you. So it will become powerful statement, powerful commitment to yourself only. First, human should give the commitment to yourself, then only he can give the commitment to others. वो अपने आप में, आपकी नजर में वो खुद उठता है. तो first thing is you have to commit yourself. The strong commitment should be given to yourself. Friends, in the beginning also I have told you, again I am repeating that fourth concept. First is return based goal. We have completed now return based goal. Now we will start for result based goal, then process based goal and breakthrough goal. Then there may be short term goals or long term goals. A student wants to become a doctor. This is a long term goal. Short term goals means 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Mid term goal means 2 to 5 years, and after 5 years there may be lifetime achievement goal, that is long term goal. And that everyone should have this long term goal in their life. Now this is your plan, whatever in your mind, that goal you have to write on the paper, and the next step you have to write your action plan also. List 1, number 2, number 3 my results. So to get the result, what should I do? For that, schedule a comprehensive plan for execution. You have to execute afterwards. So write down it as you have written the goal. Like write down this action plan on the paper. Action plan outlines the steps to reach your goal. Step by step, every day, process, daily action. अगर आप रोज वही चीज करते हो तो step by step you will be closer to your goal. So action plan, step by step, अगर आप लेते हो actions तो आप goal की तरफ पहुंच जाओगे. In 1979, in Harvard Business School of USA. The question was asked, what is your goal for the master's clear out students? And you will surprise, 84% of the students, they did not have any goal in their mind. And 13% students, they had a goal in their mind, but they did not write that on the paper, and nor they had action plan on that. And only 3% students, they had this written goal and written action plan for execution. After 10 years, in 1989, they were tracked and survey was taken, and it was found that the students, those were 3%, they had written this goal and action plan on the paper. They were earning 10 times more than the remaining students. So this is the effect of the action. Follow this all this schedule one, जो भी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, that is practical. So second, this concept, result based goal is most important. If you are having 2-3 goals at a time, means if you are having personal goal also, and if you are having profession goal also, so make out which is important to you and give importance to that and go with that and do the daily action that will brings you closer to your goal. Now the कैसे है देखिए, हमारे मराठी में एक प्रोवर्ब है, केल्यानं होत आहे आधी केल्याची पाहिजे. करते जाइए, कभी आपको रिजल्ट मिल गया, कभी आप वहां पहुंच गए, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, जुनून सा जगाना पड़ता है. अगर जुनून है, अपने आप में जुनून है, तो डेफिनेटली you will go further and further to achieve your goal. Now the third step, process-based goal. In process-based goal, of course, you have to execute your plans. Whatever plans you have decided, that you have to execute. This is the most important part of your achievement. In the beginning, first, leave the comfort zone. आपका जो comfort zone है, आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Because you have to achieve something. Be prepared for the hard work. Hard work करना है तो आपके लिए उसके लिए तैयार रहना पड़ेगा. Believe in yourself. अपने आप पे विश्वास रखिए. स्वयं पे विश्वास होना चाहिए. कामयाबी अपने आप मिलती है. तो कामयाबी मिलने के लिए you should have self confidence within yourself. Have dedicated and devoted attitude. Be think positive. Do positive. Be positive. Be energetic and responsible. You have taken the responsibility yourself, you have committed. So be responsible and committed. Use different techniques. Just Baburao ji has told that strategic planning should be there. So strategic planning you have to make and use the different techniques, methods, activities to reach to accomplish your desired results. Explore your potentials. आपके अंदर जितने भी potentials है, you have to explore those and use to execute this plan. Leadership qualities. Those leadership qualities will help you, and within that you have to embrace the innovations. Innovations कर दीजिए. And ये सब करते वक्त ऐसा मत सोचिए कि मैं ऐसे ही सीधा ही मेरा रास्ता है, मैं सीधा चला जाऊंगा और मेरी मंजिल आ जाएगी. तो ओवरकम द ऑब्स्टेकल्स, डेफिनेटली डिफिकल्टीज विल कम. सो हालात से डरना नहीं है. आप अगर हिस्ट्री में जाएंगे, जो जितने भी वॉरियर्स है उनका एक ही आपने एक समानता उसमें देखी होगी कि हालातों से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जज्बों से फर्क पड़ता है. जज्बा उनका इतना बुलंद था कि वो मुसीबतों का डट के सामना करते थे. तो मुसीबतों का डट के सामना करना यही जिंदगी है. एंड वो समानता हर लीडर में और हर हिस्ट्री के जितने भी हमारे शिवाजी महाराज से लेकर इंदिरा गांधी से लेकर अभी कल्पना चावला तक, ये सब आप नोटिस करेंगे. So overcome the obstacles with patience and persistence. आपके पास बहुत ही पेशेंस एंड परसिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ दिस डिफिकल्टीज, कठिन परिस्थितियों में, डोंट गिव अप. गिव अप नहीं करना है. अगर आप जो बैटल है, यू हैव टू फाइट द बैटल, बी वॉरियर. ये अगर आप गिव अप करते हो तो खत्म हो गया, आप पहुंच ही नहीं सकते अपने डेस्टिनी तक. तो बी पाथ फाइंडर. इसमें से क्या सॉल्यूशन निकल सकता है? सॉल्यूशन नंबर 1, सॉल्यूशन नंबर 2. सिट प्रॉपरली एंड थिंक ओवर दैट. दिस विल बी माय सॉल्यूशन ऑन दिस. एंड याद रखिए, कभी भी विनर्स नेवर क्विट. विनर्स जो है वो कभी भी क्विट नहीं करते. एंड क्विटर्स नेवर विन. अगर आपने क्विट कर दिया तो आप विन कैसे करोगे? सो विनर्स नेवर क्विट एंड क्विटर्स नेवर विन. सो फ्रेंड्स, this is the process based goal. While going, you have to process this every day and every day, so that you will be step by step, you will be closer to your desired goal. Now the last step, breakthrough based goal. So this is the path I have mentioned again, which I have covered now. This is the last concept, action plan. You have action plan in your hand. Execute that, then evaluate that. Within 10 or 15 days, आप evaluate करते जाइए. Explore your potentials, leadership skills, so that it will, whatever difficulties will come in your way, you have to overcome the obstacles. Be warrior. Have beliefs in yourself. Process daily action. रोज PDA ये आप अप्लाई कीजिए. रोज करते, जैसे हम बोलते कि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स ए मैन परफेक्ट. तो आपकी थिंकिंग बदल जाएगी, थॉट प्रोसेसिंग बदल जाएगी. जैसे थॉट प्रोसेसिंग आपकी बदलती है, योर बिहेवियर विल बी आल्सो चेंज. देन इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू बिकम योर हैबिट्स. आपकी हैबिट्स भी वैसी हो जाएंगी. जैसे जैसे आप करते जाएंगे, बिहेवियर विल चेंज इनटू हैबिट्स, एंड हैबिट्स विल बी ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू योर डिफरेंट नेचर एंड डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटी. आपने देखा है ककून जो होता है, रेशम का कीड़ा, ककून विल बी ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल बटरफ्लाई. लाइक दिस, दैट पर्सन विल बी ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू डिफरेंट पर्सन विद डिफरेंट नेचर एंड डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटी. एंड दैट्स द गेम चेंजिंग ऑफ द लाइफ. आपका पूरा जो लाइफ है वो गेम चेंजिंग. आपके अंदर के चैंपियन को आप बाहर लाते हो, and that will help you to achieve your goal. So this is the breakthrough goal, achievement and success. So friends, तूच आहेस तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार. You are the master of your own destiny. लगन और यकीन पहाड़ तोड़ के रास्ता बना देते. तो अपने आप पे विश्वास रखिए, लगन लगा कर कीजिए. एक हमारे स्कूल में हमें एक पोएम थी, नन्ही चींटी दीवार पे चढ़ती है गिरती है, चढ़ती है गिरती है, चढ़ना गिरना उसका बेकार नहीं जाता. एक दिन वो उसका जीवन सफल होता है और वो जीती जाती है. वैसा you have to try again and again, you will be succeeded. So friends, now I will share one story. You must be knowing this Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian American astronaut and first Indian woman in the space. She was born in Karnal, and she was one of the 7 astronauts who lost their lives in space shuttle Columbia disaster. When she was kid and childhood phase, she was fascinated with sky. उसको बहुत ही लगाव था, तारे, चांद, तारे, अवकाश जिसको हम स्पेस बोलते, वहां जाने की उसकी बहुत चाहत थी. Her dream was to go in the space. And मैंने जैसे आपको बोला कि ड्रीम विल नॉट मेक हैपन, unless and until you make it happen with your planning and with your execution. So she made the plan, and she took the admission for aeronautical engineering. After completing aeronautical engineering, she went to USA, and there she had completed her PhD doctorate in aerospace, and NASA invited her. So her this journey from Karnal was the small village near Chandigarh in Punjab. So her journey from this Karnal to NASA is very incredible and glorious journey, and for which people salute her. And 2 times she had been in space in 1997, and then afterwards in 2003, where this all their shuttle space shuttle was no more than after in 2003. She is the role model for many young women in India and around the world. So this is her inspirational story, and exactly what I have told about this goal setting and achievement. She has achieved her goal with her dedication, devotion, and dream can be how the dream can be converted into reality. She is the best example of this today's session. Now we will have one short this video which you will like and inspire you. This video. It is audible?
Voice not clear.
He left school and started working as a boyfriend. Was the boyfriend's family? I was talking to my brother before sunrise. I understood that connect. I didn't look after the children of an employee. 3 years later, destiny showed him a new path. He got a job in an electricity company. Then he got interested in light bulbs and sockets. Every night, he started learning and experimenting and growing. One day, he made an improved version of the light socket all by himself. He got very excited and showed it to his boss. But his boss was not impressed and said the socket will never work. Even though he was rejected, he believed in his idea. He went up to those friends on his own, started on the topic. He asked his friends, "But why he cannot do it? He cannot leave his permanent job and start his own company. He has no experience, very little money, and hardly any education." So, he believed in himself. So when he turned 22, he took a big decision. He left a stable job, started his own small manufacturing. Started manufacturing sockets in a small house. They both went door to door selling it, but no shop owner was interested. He did not get any others. Months passed by, and still very motivated to sell their product. His son was managing money to survive a little longer. Many days he thought, "I will give up and go back to my job." But in the morning, as the sun rose, he was out on the streets looking for a house, fighting for one more day. There came a time he was almost bankrupt, and just when he was closest to giving up his dream, that's when a miracle happened in his life. Out of nowhere, he got his first major honor of Magdalene University. Now, 100 years after that, first major honor of Magdalene University is contained one major of 250,000 employees with annual sales of $65 million. This company products the most of Congress was not possible when education and knowledge. And he had was a belief in himself. As well as he was here Mexico. The company he started in a small house is now known across the world as Panasonic. Success is not dependent. And heart is a better than that. I wish for a world. Success is about allowing yourself. So, allowing yourself, not pursuit of success. Just believing yourself, allowing yourself. When other people give up. And just wait for that one miracle to change your life.
So friends, this is the story which relates to our this today's session. So life is what you make it. अपने आप पे विश्वास रखिए, कामयाबी अपने आप मिलेगी. And this is the mantra of success. So in the beginning, I had given you one quote: an average person with average talent and ambition can make wonders in his life if he has clear and focused goal with his commitment to himself and having belief in himself. So this is the session of believing himself. Now I will relate all these concepts with our Lions activity. Okay. So now let us start for this again goal setting and achievement for our Lions activity. Identify your goal as Lion. Our president, dynamic president, he has given us everyone responsibility of different committees. So what does leadership role include? Whatever position you are having, holding, in which leadership role you are having, you find out that, and how can you help your club and community. So this is not which I have selected is not service activity. It is for the beneficial of our club, and I have selected this clear and focused goal setting as a Lion of membership growth. I think Kanekarji is the in charge of membership growth, no? So Kanekarji, please pay attention here. We will increase current membership in our Lions Club of Thane Kopri by 15%. I am audible, no?
Yes.
By adding 10 new members in the dynastic year 2020-21. This
Okay.
is the goal we have set. I think we are having 65 members, so 15% it comes to 10 new members. So this is our goal setting, clear and focused goal setting.
Yeah.
So this is the written based goal. You must have, Kanegarji, you must have formed your team, and team means I have told you already that together everyone achieves more.
Yes.
So you have to decide, make the written sheet and write it on the paper and hang it in our bedroom, so that, see what happens now in our personal life, we take it seriously, but for Lions, when we are doing this social service, we don't take it seriously. So we don't give priority or importance to that position which we are holding. But don't do like this. If you are committed to government, not governor, president in your club, then you have to fulfill that.
Yeah.
So this is the written based goal. Then next is result based goal. You have to make the action plan for that and do the actions for execution. I have given here two, three actions on that which you can apply. One is collaboration and use leadership qualities. Here I have you can see this one image: marketing, advertising, communication, public relation, networking. You can collaborate with Anita. Anita is the PRO and she is a very dedicated lady. So collaborate with this marketing team, so that you can enhance our club image in the society, in the community, so that the people, they will be attracted towards our club, and they will join our club.
Yeah.
So make the plans differently. 2-3 things I will mention here. आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो? You can come out with a nice brochure. एक अच्छा brochure बनाइए, include giving the all details of our LCT के different our जो भी आप हमारे activities है, permanent projects है, then signature activities है, वो उसमें आप highlight कीजिए, different activities के photographs डालिए और come out with this brochure and distribute it in different places, in different community level, जैसे police department है, फिर doctors है, different hospitals है, different societies है, library, सब जगह आप अगर ये देते हैं तो हमारी इमेज बढ़ जाएगी. Then hoardings and signboards लगाइए. Create Facebook page. Facebook page अगर बनाते हैं तो every day whatever activities we are doing, Lions Club of Thane Kopri is doing lot of activities. So we can do these activities and create the Facebook page, and we have to post every day these activities on the Facebook page, so that as on today बहुत सारे लोग सोशल मीडिया पे है तो वो लाइक करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक हम पहुंच जाएंगे. And third one is press conference. You can have the press conference in association with Anita. You can invite editors, and your all activities will be highlighted in different newspapers. So this is the action plan. For example, I have told you, you may have different ideas, different innovation ideas. You sit and together and आप अपने हिसाब से कुछ भी प्लान कर सकते हैं and execute कर सकते हैं. So now how you will apply your leadership qualities. First of all, we will see what is leadership. Leadership is a function having a vision and clear goal. Vision आपके पास होना चाहिए कि मुझे क्या करना है, and clear goal. Set the goal, clear goal. We have set here goal of 10 members. We will include in our this year in our LCTK. Building trust among colleagues. अपने जो कलीग्स है, आपके जो भी जितने भी हमारे मेंबर्स है, उसमें ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग करके आपको आगे जाना है. टेकिंग इफेक्टिव एक्शन. सी कैसे होता है, लोगों हमारे क्लब में हम सोचते हैं कि ये खाली कमिटी चेयरमैन का काम है या वो कमिटी का ही खाली काम है. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. टीम बिल्डिंग अगर है तो क्लब की पूरी टीम बिल्डिंग होना चाहिए, बॉन्डिंग होना चाहिए, एंड एवरीवन शुड फील दैट दिस इज माय क्लब. यू शुड हैव ओनरशिप feelings within you that this is my club and I should help to increase my club strength. So each and everybody should help Kanekar so that our strength will be increased by 15%. So leaders are the dealers in hopes. सबसे पहले जैसे हमने आज इसमें देखा, वैसे खुद पे भरोसा होना चाहिए कि yes I can do this. Yes, by the end of this year we will have 10 more members. Have positive attitude, be positive and be positive. Positive attitude से आपके पास जज्बा आपका उभर आएगा और आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा कर पाओगे. You should have burning desire to achieve that, passionate towards the goal. To achieve anything you need a burning desire. कहते हैं ना, अगर किसी चीज को आप शिद्दत से चाहो, अपने दिल से चाहो, तो पूरी कायनात आपको वो मिलाने में मदद करती है. बराबर है, शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग है, एंड वो ऐसे ही नहीं है, बेकार नहीं है, सही मानो है कि बर्निंग डिजायर है तो आपको सब पूरी कायनात भी आपको मदद करती है. हैव इंटीग्रिटी, हाई इंटीग्रिटी, ऑनेस्टी, हार्ड वर्क. I think Pisarji has told you most of these leadership qualities. Full of enthusiasm, determination. Determination is most important. A dream does not become reality through magic. Magic से 10 member नहीं आएंगे हमारे क्लब में. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. So determine this, then only we can achieve that. Communication skill. This also quality is very helpful for us to increase our membership. And communicate with not only here, Pisarji told you how to communicate with through WhatsApp, through email, different. आप एक कैंपेन कर दीजिए और कैंपेन में इनोवेटिव आइडियाज से कैसे कम्युनिकेट करना है वो डिसाइड कीजिए, एंड कम्युनिकेट इफेक्टिवली विथ अदर्स. Human relations. This is the most important thing in the Lionism. Building the trust among people. लोगों में विश्वास होना चाहिए. अगर आपके प्रति विश्वास है तो ही वो आपको लीडर मानेंगे और आप इकट्ठा बॉन्डिंग में इकट्ठा होगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम कर पाओगे. सो बिल्डिंग द ट्रस्ट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग फॉर व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द सोशल वर्क. एनकरेज रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी. व्हाइल डूइंग द इनोवेशन, एक अलग सा कुछ विचार मन में आता है एंड यू थिंक दैट वेदर इट विल वर्क आउट और नॉट. So go ahead. Risk taking is also leadership qualities. Apply that. It may work out or it may not work out, but experience you will get for that. Then problem solving. I told you that कि मुश्किलों का आना, मुश्किलें तो आती ही है, कोई भी काम करो जीवन में, तो मुश्किलों का आना is the part of life. मुश्किलों का आना is the part of life. उनसे बाहर आना इज द आर्ट ऑफ लाइफ. तो आर्ट ऑफ लाइफ सीखिए, मुश्किलों से कैसे बाहर आना है. सॉल्यूशन नंबर 1, 2, 3 करके आप उससे बाहर आइए. पेज इनोवेटिव आइडियाज, डिवोटेड एंड डेडिकेटेड. इनोवेटिव आइडियाज मैंने अभी बताया आपको. कनेकर जी, यू आर हैविंग नाइस.
आई एम लिसनिंग यू. आई विल आंसर.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छे लोग आपके टीम में है. अभी आपने बताया अपना हमारे चार्टर मेंबर है,
चार्टर प्रेसिडेंट, चार्टर
है, दीपक जी है,
and the members who are engaged with
आइडियाज तो कमी है ही नहीं आपके पास. तो इनोवेटिव आइडियाज आप इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए एंड गो अहेड. आई एम श्योर दैट डेफिनेटली यू विल अचीव 10 members दिस ईयर. एंड नेवर एवर गिव अप. गिव अप करने की बात ही मत कीजिए. गिव अप कभी करते हैं. लाइफ इज व्हाट यू मेक इट. आपका लाइफ आप बनाते हो. लिव यूर जी ने 10 किए थे. आई विल डू 15 members. So you will be the example. Lead by your own example. Then only you are the leader. So drive results by patience. Have patience within yourself. Strong follow. सबको फोन करते जाइए, कम्युनिकेट करते जाइए. स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉलोअप इज द डेफिनेटली 101% मेथड which will be implemented to get results. and this is the breakthrough goal. अभी जो लास्ट में मैंने बताया, that is the breakthrough goal, drives results by patience and strong follow. So मैं एक यहाँ बात बतानी चाहती हूँ, लास्ट स्लाइड है, लीडरशिप इज द कैपेसिटी टू ट्रांसलेट द विजन इनटू रियलिटी. बहुत सारे लोगों का कहना रहता है, इवन व्हेन आई कॉल्ड सम लायन मेंबर्स, they told me that we are now 65 age, we are above 60, so what is the goal, what goal we should have in our mind. So एक जापानीज कंसेप्ट है इकिगाई, a reason for being, जीने का मकसद क्या है. तो उनके लिए एक जापानीज कंसेप्ट है पैशन, प्रोफेशन, मिशन एंड वोकेशन. दीज आर द 4 कंसेप्ट. वो मिलाकर वो एक बनाते हैं गोल, और गोल सेटिंग करके अचीव करते हैं उसको. कभी भी किसको पूछना है तो वो पूछते हैं व्हाट इज योर इकिगाई. व्हाट इज योर इकिगाई मींस क्या करना चाहते हो, आपकी गोल सेटिंग क्या है जिंदगी का. तो आफ्टर 65 एज आल्सो यू शुड हैव योर इकिगाई, so that the whatever passion you are having in your mind, your vision can be turned into reality. So friends, again I am repeating, तूच आहेस तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार. You are the master of your own destiny. At the end of the year 2020-21, we will have increased 15% membership on adding 10 members in our club, Lions Club of Thane Kopri, in the fiscal year 2020-21. Goal is achieved. कनेक्ट करके अच्छा लग रहा है ना?
Yes, yes.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना? 10 members we have added here.
Yes,
Destiny,
yes.
this is not the destination. Success is a journey. Success ये अभी मिल गई, सक्सेस तो वापस नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं. सक्सेस again and again you will set the goals, you will achieve the goals, again and again you want the success. So this is not the destination. Whatever we have learned today in this 40 to 45 minutes, I will share this. The main motto is to inculcate leadership within you. So only 2-3 minutes video I will show you on leadership. Definitely you will like it. This is a motivational video. Leadership qualities. Progress occurs. Definitely you will inspire by this. You should be skillful. Skills होने चाहिए आपके पास. Different. विजन होना चाहिए. सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में विजन देखिए, क्या मैं हासिल करना चाहता हूँ. Collaboration, just I told you, collaborate with other team members so that you will go more and more things you will achieve. डिसीजन लेना चाहिए एंड करेजियस. इनोवेटिव आइडियाज इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए करेज चाहिए, तो बी करेजियस. Be confident, have faith in yourself and have positive attitude. Assertive रहिए, जो भी होगा वो अच्छा ही होगा. And definitely we will achieve our desired goal. Mindful and developing. अपनी तरक्की करते जाइए. One day you will transform into the butterfly. This is the leadership video. So friends, sorry. So friend, uh, this is the success. We have completed the session with a positive attitude and goal setting and achievement. How to do that? You have seen with leadership qualities. Leave your footprint on the time, sands of time. Friends, I hope that you must have inculcated all these things in your mind through your brain, and definitely you will follow this, and definitely you will set your goal and you will achieve that. While achieving, definitely I want to see you on the top. So keep smiling, keep sparkling, keep rocking. Thank you so much.